What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Gerald from Bank of Gerald here with another video update. Today is Friday, September the 1st, 2023. Today we are here to talk about automated capital. Ladies and gentlemen, it's off a pretty impressive week. It's off a pretty impressive month, and it's starting a new month here in September, and we're excited about our journey involved in it. For those of you that do not know, we are back involved with automated capital, and we're going to talk about some of the updates that they have been bringing in their Telegram group, as well as what we have been able to see in our accounts as well. So let's go ahead and talk about it. Before we get started, I want to remind all of you that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I am not your financial advisor. I'm just a dude on YouTube showing you guys how I'm cranking out that crypto in many different platforms, nothing more and nothing less than that. Now, if you like this content, hit subscribe. You want to be notified, hit the bell, and please, sir, please, ma'am, don't get scammed by the WhatsApp man, because if he gets you, there's absolutely nothing that I can do to help you. All right, so stay diligent and vigilant in the space and in the comment section as well. Let's go ahead and jump into Telegram, where we will see some information. We'll see a monthly report that was just posted today, but I'm going to go back just a few days. All right, I want to go back to the 28th. Okay, now on the 28th is pretty much, well, the 27th, I guess you could say, was the start of the week, right? Getting activated. They're talking about some of their new plans that they have coming and some that they've already launched. The markets opened and they were ready to rock and roll. So on the 28th was their first daily report. All right. The Euro USD did 0.94. Cross pairs in XAU USD didn't have anything. And the US 30 had a negative 0.01, which is, not nearly a big deal at all. Right. So we keep on going. All right. They talk about how their Euro USD strategy is the best performing PAM on Finesse FX currently. And that was on the 28th. All right. So out of all the different ones, they were the highest performing on the 28th. All right, let's keep going. So on the 29th, now, of course, we have some days to catch up with, right? You can click on these. These are all, by the way, Automated Capital, their Telegram group is still open. It's been open this whole time. So for those of you that want to tap in, I definitely suggest you tap into that. Let's go ahead and talk about the 29th. So this week, the Euro USD on the 29th didn't do anything on that day. All right. 0.69 for the cross pairs, 0.95 for the XAU USD, and 0.37 for the US 30. All right. Get to the 30th, the Euro USD got back active, 1% for the day. Cross pairs, 0.82% for the day. XAU USD, 0.76% for the day. US 30, 0.34 for the day. All positive, all positive. Get into the 31st. All right, that was the 30th. We get into the 31st, which was yesterday. Euro USD did 0.3. Cross pairs and XAU USD didn't have any gains there, but the US 30 did a 1.60%. All right. So if you're diversified through all these different opportunities, then you're seeing a gain. You always have the risk of loss. I want to make sure that that is extremely clear. But the beauty about these PAM account opportunities is I don't have to do the trade. I can rely or count or try to trust the entity that is doing the trading for me. And this is what it did for the month of August. All right. For the month of August, 17% or 17.11% for the Euro USD. Cross pairs did 5.91%. XAU USD did 10.49%, and the US 30 did 2.49%. All right. So if you're diversified within all of them, then, you're doing pretty well. Now, of course, a couple of them just launched. So, of course, you can't be in all of them for the month of August. But for the month of September, we all have the opportunity to do so. Now, I'm not here to tell you what to do. Y'all know how I am. But I have decided to jump in to not only the cross pairs in the Euro USD, but I've also jumped into the US 30 as well. For those of you that missed that on the last video that I did a deposit. And of course, it took a little bit of time for the deposit to get through. And we were able to go ahead and jump into the PAM and see what it was all about. So next week will be our first full week in the PAM. For those of you that are trying to get access to this opportunity, you have to be on my .finessefx.io. All right. That is the website. It is in the description below, of course. So make sure if that's something that you want to be a part of, you find a way to get a part of it, right? The link I keep in the description below for anyone that is interested. Right now, I'm currently signing in so that I can show you guys my back office and what we've got going on here, right? So it's very simple back office, very simple apparatus here. To find each PAM account, you click on invest rating. We talked about that. All you really got to do is type in automated capital. And all the different automated capital opportunities that are available right now will show up, all right? They're constantly growing, all right? It wasn't too long ago, there was less than 10 people in all of these. Now we had 11 investors in the automated Euro, USDT, USDD, USD. I'm going to say it right one of these days. But the US 30 now has 5 investors. Automated capital cross pairs now has 2 investors, all right? So it still has 2 investors. I think it had 2 investors before. But this is the best performing one, of course, but they're all performing. At the moment, they're all performing. We don't know the future. We don't have a crystal ball, but we are here to see what happens, and we're going to take the risk. All right. That's just me. And that's how we'll roll. Investments, so we can see down here. All right. All investments are in the red. I mean, they're in the green right now. All right. I put 2,500 in the first one in the automated capital. The Euro USD, and then I put cross pairs, I put 500, and automated capital US 30, I put 1,000. So you can see the current income, the profit is there. So we'll continue to let it play out. Right now, there is not a affiliate program. However, I am hearing some rumblings that could be coming possible. So it could be coming soon. So anyone that is interested in that, it'll be there for you. I do believe this is the only current PAM account that I have on the docket so far. We are looking at others. We are looking at all different opportunities in different brokers and different things of that nature. We want to stay well diversified. However, this is going to be definitely the first one and the one that we're going to give the biggest shot to up front because it did perform at one point for us before. It hit a hard stop, and we gave it some time to let it figure out what it wanted to do, and it seemed like it wanted to stay, which is better than 90% of the things that we have been in the meantime. So with that being said, put your 2FA on all the platforms that will allow you, and all your wallets, because crypto is indeed the wild, wild west, y'all. And if you ain't strapped, you're bound to get hacked, all right? Ask me how I know. It's not very fun at all. If you like this content, hit subscribe. You want to be notified, hit the bell. Please, sir, please, ma'am, don't get scammed by the WhatsApp man, because if he gets you, there's absolutely nothing I can do to help you. So stay diligent and vigilant in the space and in the comments section as well. All right. Automated Capital, keep doing your thing. And for those of you that are interested, this is a new month. It's September the 1st. All right. And we're excited about what can happen here at AC. Peace out.